Today we're heading to the mangroves. It's a mangrove park in Langkawi. The weather's not very good. It's sprinkling a little bit. It seems like it stormed last night, but hopefully the weather won't be too mean to me today. Alright, we finally made it. The sun has decided to show up, which is good. The rest of the island, when I looked back before, was still getting destroyed by the rain. Taking us to the floating fish farm. They're going to let us try to feed a lot of different types of fish, and it should be fun.
It happens often that people have tried to touch a wrong species. So remember, you touch a wrong species of fish, you might get hurt. So if you don't want something bad happen to you, stick together with my buddy here. Number one. Number two, guys, I see some nice brand of glasses today. Yes, right here to do. Take off your glasses on your head and take off your glasses on your shirt. I'll prefer you to put it on or hold it tight. It's happened every day, guys. Every time people want to bend down, it falls.
We call them giant rivali, or in short form we can call them GT. Okay, you cannot put your hand inside. By hand. Then it depends on your antibody, is it strong or not. But for quicker recovery, you can cut a little bit of your skin and then put some lime or vinegar.
Do you eat it here? Do you eat it?
We can only eat the female because we take the eggs only. Okay, the mouth is here. They will not bite. Eyes and tail, no poison. We can eat their eggs, but if you eat too much, you will get high. Same to marijuana.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Okay, this is the biggest we have.
Whoa.
Call him Johnny. Flat palm.
Yeah.
So they can shoot a water 1 or 2 meter long. So why they shoot a water when spider or insect on the leaf or on the tree, they will shoot to bring the tree down.
Place that you can spot a swimming monkey, or can I use the word easiest? The monkey that can swim. Because monkey don't do this. They're not swimming. Yes. Alright, we'll climb. Okay. Dia naik sendiri and tengok confirm. In the boat.
Oh. Oh.
Now guys, up here. No. You're gonna take the foot up here. Look how he's trying to get it. Step aside. Step aside a little bit.
Okay.
He's a little bit afraid. Okay.
Oh, okay.
No,
Oh, there's another one.
I told you.
There's a lot of eagles here. See them all over the sky. I've got lucky here. They told me that they stop coming around when it starts raining. So we got here just in time before the rain started dropping. Oh, that's so many of them.
Climb. Look at the size. Oh, you make me hungry. Gimana? But now, increase of the boat activity is what makes them gone. Okay, but we still have them, but not as much as last time. Too annoying, too noisy. What makes them go away? And it's not every day we can drive a tourist in. Look at the water level on the both sides of the wall. We show you that is the highest level that the water can reach. Okay? So, we are so lucky, even nothing much that you can see, but it's a good experience for us to get in. But guys, if you do me a favor, wait until we get to the back day. I can't wait what will happen to you. Alright, come in.
This is mostly known as the insect eating bats, so not a vampire bat. Alright, so if you are bleeding or something, don't worry about it because your blood is not their diet, by the way. Yeah. So common diet for them over here actually mostly is a mosquito. That's what they eat. And if you can see, guys, you are lucky today because we can see some of them with the baby bats. 1, 2, 3.